Ngayon, ito yung ginagawa namin kasi nag-crave kami ng dumplings. Pero usually, ang ginagawa ko, uh, fried dumplings siya. Pero sabi ko, tingnan nga natin ngayon. Gawin natin steam natin. So, I think it will be nice. Kasi ayoko kasing gumamit ng uh, what is this? Ng oil. So, ito siya. Oh, sorry. Ano ba yan? Nagka-steam din yung camera ko. So, yun na siya. Steam dumplings. Yan. Hindi ko siya ma-lift. Tapos may water sa baba. Tapos ito na. Ang ganda kasi sana yung parang yung parang bamboo, 'di ba? So this is yung strainer ko lang, ginamit ko yung strainer ko and then linagay ko sa pot. Tapos yan, steam na siya. Tapos ito yung filling, merong ginamit ko yung bulgogi na beef kasi na siya, yung parang sweet. Tapos mas fine yung beef na na nakamarinate. Tapos ito na, may mushroom lang siya and then yung spring onions. Simple. Yun na, feeling na siya agad. Tapos this is how you do. 'Di ba yun yung yung dumpling wrapper. Tapos lagyan mo siya ng tubig. Yan. Para ipadikit mo yung itong part na to. So I have to flip this. Tapos ganun siya. Yan. And then after that, if you fold it from the back. Ganun. Tapos yung front, hindi. Bali, press ka na lang ng press, ganyan. Tapos, i-fold mo yung sa likod so that it will look like this. Yan. So, that's how to do dumplings. Pwede din siya i-fry. Pwede din siya i-steam. But, usually, we fry it. Pero ngayon, mas gusto ko kasi i-steam. Kasi, naglilimit ako ng oil. So, that's how it is. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya when it's done. So, eto siya. Di ba kanina sabi ko, if you fold yan. And then, itong part na to, this part, lagyan ng tubig. And then, after that, you hold this one. And then, you start folding. Yung sa likod mismo. You fold it like that. Ewan ko kung makita nyo. But, see, that's how I'm doing. Tapos, fold. And then, press. Tapos, yung pinakadulo, you have to fold it like that, and then you press it. And then, the same thing sa likod, yung sa kabila, kasi I did a half of that. Tapos, yung half na naman, you start folding. Ano lang naman, yung first part, medyo, it's hard to do it, but as long as, maano mo na yung pagpipress na, you can fold it, no matter how it is, yung parang ganun, okay pa rin siya. And then yung edge, fold mo din yung edge. Then that's how it is. Actually ito, medyo maganda. Yan. Nag-aano kasi ako. I make sure that you can see it. But that's how it is. So, itong part na to, hindi ka nag-fold. Hindi ako nag-fold. This part only. Kasi nandun yung feeling sa loob. So, that's how to do dumplings. So, ito siya yung first batch and I think that is done. Kasi parang nag-ano na siya, yung parang nag-crystallize. So, meaning, yung ito, ang wrapper, ganun siya pag hindi pa siya luto. But then, this is now, I think it's done. Yan siya. So, it is. Yan. So, I did the first batch. Gawin na naman namin yung second batch nito. So, this is the one. Na-try ko na. I bite it. Kinain ko. So, diba? Crystallized na yung yung wrapper. And this is my filling inside. So, hindi talaga siya matagal na steam dahil luto na tong filling na to. And that's how it is. ito na yung second batch na ginawa ko kanina, nalinagay ko kanina. So, meron siyang steam water. Hindi ko siya itatapon, pero dito ko siya ilagay balik. Para yung tubig. I use bottled water kasi sa steam. Hindi yung sa tap water. Para at least malinis. Kasi, di ba, yun ang sipsipin ng ng dumplings. So, that's how it is. Yung second batch. Tapos na yata. Ay, nag-steam yung camera ko. So, ito yung remaining sa 50. I think this is 50 pieces to eh. Ewan ko lang. Pero, noon kasi, I counted yung isang brand, 50 pieces to eh, na dumpling wrapper. So, yan may naiwan. Siguro, I think that's 10. Tapos, ito na. Ito yung last batch. Ito na yung natapos ko kanina, yung first batch. Diba? Yung kinainan ko. So, it looks really, really good. Kinain na ni Meiko yung nag-test na siya. So, that's how it is, guys. So, yun na yung dumpling making namin. Kasi ang mahal siya pag binili. So, I said we're just gonna make ours. So, I hope you have seen how it is. At you can try doing this at home. Huwag na bumili. Diba? Alright, so, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Kainin natin. I'm gonna try this. So, this is the dumplings. Meron akong ginawang yung parang dipping sauce. See? Diba? It's really good. Healthy. Bye for now.